to today's tutorial. Today I want us use the Pycharm to write the first code of line using the Pycharm. So you can come here and search for Pycharm, and even before you write everything, you see the Pycharm and you click on it to open the Pycharm. And when it opens, it is giving you these tips of the day. This one you can read and you cancel them. So this is the Pycharm. Let's say you did not, this was already started. Let's say you did not start Pycharm. You come here, first of all, you come to files and you say new project. Files, new projects, and you name your project right here. So this is Python project 1. So we can, this is already highlighted up to that backward slash. Then you can write your own project there. For example, mine will be first line of code with Python. You see Pycharm. First line of code with Python using Pycharm, and then you come down here and you say create, and because this one may not ask you because yours is fast, but for me I want to be in new window. And yes, this is new window. You can see there is already main.py, and this one, this main.py, it is default. It has come with the prebuilt by the Pycharm. What you can do, you can click here and you see down here hi Pycharm, and that hi Pycharm, it is being produced because of this print have blah 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 blah. But we are coming to this. No, don't worry about this. This actually we are going to delete everything here and do our thing. We are going to delete everything here. So we delete and then we do our things like print. And what we print, we want to print within the quotation, you print hello world. Print hello world, and then you come here and click run, and see in the terminal hello world has been produced. And that's how we print the first line of code. But you see, you don't want to use this main.py. What can you do? You can come here and you say file and you say new, and you say new file. I'll just say Python file, and you give it a name. That name should be not main now. You can say main or any other name you want. Main 2 .py and you click enter, and see this is main2, but see it is not produced here. So if you print you do print within the quotation you write hello world 2, you say hello world 2 and you run, it will produce hello world. Because why is that? This is because when you look at this, it is saying you are executing commands from the main, not main2. So what you do to produce this new current file, you just come here and change to this current one, and the current one is now the main2.py. okay, so if you run now, because you are using the current one, it will come to hello world 2. okay, so that is how it should be when you want to use your own file. But you can even delete this one now. You can even delete this one if you want, but for me I am not going to delete because I'm using this first one. So actually I am going to delete this number 2. Delete this one, and okay, yeah, now I have remained with main.py, and if I run this one now and I change this one to main, now I've changed it to main, and you can see it main here, and then I run, you see hello world has come. Okay, now that's how you can print hello world using Pycharm and Python. As simple as that. And we also have the other way in which we can use the other way is like VS Code to produce the same thing. So for the VS Code, let's meet next time. I will show you how you can use the VS Code, because Pycharm, it is said to be very heavy for some computers. I will show also the VS Code for this matter. So meet you then. Thank you and welcome.